Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if you want to print your design or share it as a professional document, Canva allows you to export your project as high quality PDF in just a few clicks. In this guide, I will show you step by step how to download a Canva design as a PDF in 2026 cleanly, correctly, and like a pro. So first thing first, log into your account, open the design you want to download, make sure the design is finalized. Go to share, so after you choose your video, now tap share. This opens the export panel. Okay, so this, all download options are inside this panel. So now in the share panel, click download, scroll down, click download. Okay, so you will now see file format options. Okay, so under file type, choose PDF print, best for printing, or PDF standard, best for digital sharing. Okay, so we have here a lot of options. Okay, so difference: PDF print, high quality, larger file size; PDF standard, smaller file size for online use. Okay, so choose PDF print for professional results. Okay, if your design has multiple pages, click select pages. If it's not, don't do it. So this is it guys for today's video. See you in the next tutorial.